Hold on, man. Don't do it. Bonus, don't do it. I can feel you trying, bro. Don't do that. Hey, try to single me, bro. Look. Yeah. Yo, calm down, sir. Calm down, sir. Damn. Bro.
You're gonna need a second hand.
No, I'm gonna pull him. I'm pulling him. Say again?
Yeah, you get
There you go. You got a grip. Let's calm down, though. How's about that? Can you calm down? Woo! Let's calm down, sir. I'm gonna release you. We're gonna go back in the water. You're gonna calm down. Cause I told you. That's it. Right. Don't bite. I'm going to let you go. Okay? Gone. Yeah, he's gone, man.